Hi, Ms. Anushka. I'm so sorry to be straying from the topic, but a recent amendment to the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act introduced a death penalty for the rape of children below the age of 12. I would just like to know your opinion on the same.
Guys, I have already spoken about this. I have made a statement on Twitter. I was, like everyone in this room and in the country, deeply hurt and affected by the incident. Even now when I think about it, I start talking about it, I feel disgusted and extremely emotional. But like I said in my statement earlier, the most severe punishment has to be vetted out to the people involved. And apart from that, I'm very happy with this new. Has it happened already, or it's now the suggestion has been made? The suggestion has been made, right? Right. So I'll be completely 100, 1000% supportive of it. The most severe punishment that there is to spoil something as innocent as a child. It's the worst thing a human being can do. Worst.
Just stricter punishment, I guess, which is what the entire nation is unanimously asking for. It's something that we should actually not even be asking. It's something that should be instilled into our children, our boys, right from the very beginning. Yeah, so I think in terms of upbringing, that needs to change. The boys need to be taught a better mentality, I guess. And as for people who still commit these crimes, I think the maximum punishment ever. This is unacceptable, and we as a nation have raised our voice today, and something needs to be done for sure. Yeah.
Terrible thing that's happened. As a girl, as a woman, as an individual, as a human being, as a resident and as a part of this country, I feel very bad and very hurt that something like this has happened. एक टाइम था जब मैं बहुत पढ़ रही थी इसके ऊपर, and last 2 days I've just parked it. I said, if I keep reading about it, it's just going to make me more and more upset and angry and really hurt. मैंने tweet में भी कहा था कि I just hope that, I really hope from my heart that justice is served, and yeah, that's all I can say. And I think as a country and as people and as the members of the media, and I'm sure you guys are doing a fantastic job, but we should really go out there and condemn this, because this cannot be.